So I'm switching from your regular fluorescent tubes to LED tubes. Now there's two types of LED tubes. You have type A, which you can use the ballast, or you're supposed to have the ballast still in play, and that's supposed to be a plug and play. So what that means is you don't have to do any electrical work to go from a fluorescent tube to an LED tube. Now there's also a type B tube, which is a bypass tube. So essentially what you have to do is take the ballast out of play. And then there's a really amazing one, which is an A and a B. So it'll work with the ballast or without a ballast. But I have AB tubes, but my ballast went bad, so I have to bypass it anyways because it's not sending electricity through the ballast to the tubes. Ballast just stops the electricity. So I'm bypassing my ballast right now, and essentially to do that, you have to essentially just direct wire. What that means is the ballast was connected, I cut the wires from the ballast and came and connected the right hand side, which provides the power to your power line. In this case it's red, sometimes it'll be black, and then your neutral side goes to the other side. Now as you can see, there is a jumper right there, so the neutral jumper is from this side to that side, and that wire comes over here and it connects to your neutral wire. So for direct wire, one side has to be neutral, the other side has to be power, and I just did that, went ahead and knocked that out. And now I could plug in my type A tubes or type AB tubes. Ideally, if you want to be safe, get the AB tubes. They'll work in any situation. And the plus side of that is most of the AB tubes will also have a range of warmth, so you could go all the way from 3000 to 6500 K, which is really nice, and you can adjust the warmth to your preferences. Now they are much more expensive than your typical A or typical B tubes, so keep that in mind.